What if I told you these rich, fudgy brownies are 100% gluten-free and taste even better than the regular ones? Stick around, because this almond flour magic will blow your mind. Today, we're making super moist almond flour brownies. Healthy, delicious, and so easy. Ingredients: 1/2 cup melted coconut oil, 1 cup coconut sugar, 2 large eggs, 1 tsp vanilla extract, 1/2 cup almond flour, 1/4 cup unsweetened cocoa powder, 1/4 tsp baking soda, 1/4 tsp salt, 1/2 cup dark chocolate chips. Optional, but amazing. Instructions: preheat your oven to 350 degrees, 175 degrees Celsius. In a bowl, mix coconut oil and sugar. Add eggs and vanilla. Whisk until smooth. Stir in almond flour, cocoa powder, baking soda, and salt. Fold in chocolate chips. Pour into a greased 8x8-inch baking pan. Bake for 20 to 25 minutes or until the center is set but soft. Let it cool before slicing. That's the hardest part. These brownies are gooey, rich, and guilt-free. Save this recipe. You'll make it again and again.